Now we are going to see the process of protein synthesis through an animated video. Here is a cell, the basic unit of all the living tissues. In most human cells, there is a structure called the nucleus. The nucleus contains the genome. In humans, the genome is split between 23 pairs of chromosomes. Each chromosome contains the long strand of DNA tightly packed around proteins called histones. Within the DNA, a section is called a gene. And these genes contain the instructions for making proteins. When a gene is switched on and an enzyme called RNA polymerase attaches to the start of a gene, it moves along the DNA, making the strands of messenger RNA at a free basis in the nucleus. The DNA code determines the order in which the free bases are attached to the mRNA, and this process is called transcription. Before the messenger RNA can be used as a template for the production of proteins, it needs to be processed. This involves removing and adding sections of RNA. The mRNA then moves out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm. Protein factors in the cytoplasm called ribosomes bind to the mRNA. The ribosome reads the code in the mRNA to produce a chain made up of amino acids. There are 20 different types of amino acids. Transfer RNA molecules carry the amino acid to the ribosome. The mRNA reads 3 bases at a time. As each triplet is read, a tRNA delivers the corresponding amino acid. This is added to the growing chain of amino acid. Once the last amino acid has been added, the chain falls into a complex 3D shape to form the protein.